Okay, welcome to another Mad Human Pizza video. In this video we're going to be changing these little springs. See these little springy things? I've changed one of them now. I just have one more to go. There's four of them. Now you unplug the washer, you unplug it, and then you can disconnect the lines, but I propped this up. I had to take off these two and that from the back, and I have it propped up a little bit. I still have the water lines on and the drain line, and so it's just want to make sure the cords and stuff aren't kinked or nothing like that, or we're going to break. And I put this thing up to prop it up. Now, once you get that panel off, the back panel, you can raise it, and then so when you take one of these off at a time, it's not that bad. You go back here, and well, first you want to get the spring on, and there's these little right here. The spring, this raises up, and the spring goes over top of it. See, there's two ends. One end will go inside here, as you can see with the one that's, well, the other end goes around the rod, but I don't know if I can do this with one hand, but this raises up, and you put this in, it'll go. Wow, I did it there. So that part goes in there, and it's free, and then this will go over, and there's a rod right here. There's a rod. So now I'm gonna adjust the back here to where it's not propped to the back. Now that I get the spring on, let me lower this a little bit. Lower this down, and now I need to prop the back up and get that, because I need to get access to this, just that rod. Let me see, I'm trying not to disconnect the line. I don't want to disconnect the water lines, because that's a whole other monster. I don't want to do more work than I have to. I just want to get access to this, and my hand to get under there to get that into the spring. You'll see once I get the rod. I need just a little bit more room here, and I'm gonna be careful with this. This is the drain line and stuff. I want to be careful with that. I can't go over too far more. So that should be good. Let's just enough to get my hand down here, pull it up, and then I gotta turn that, which I turned it, and now it's going to go down and through. There's two of them. There's actually two things going on here. There's that top part, and there's a second one. I took the second one off. See, I took that off, and now down here, now we have the hook. We got to get the spring. Okay, I got that lifted up. See that spring now? Now, yeah, I got that spring on there. And so I lifted that up and turned it into there. See? In my other video, I done it. And it lifts up. And yeah, watch this. See this thing? Yeah, it goes up. It'll go up through here, and then you turn it over.